Collmer. I'm a business consultant, and I love helping business owners and salespeople increase their business through relationships and referrals. So you know how business owners love cold calling for new business? So what I do is I love helping those business owners who dread cold calling actually increase their business through relationship and referrals, and by building a referral team that I call a referral team, just some other business relationships who can send them a steady and predictable stream of business through referrals. So instead of always having to cold call and direct prospect and do all that hard outreach activity, they actually get to do warm relational conversations and getting together with people that they're building a long-term relationship with, and actually have the business coming to them. I would say that referral marketing is the original inbound marketing. So one of my clients, he is in a very traditional cold calling, direct prospecting type of business in commercial insurance. And he was, beating the streets, knocking on doors, and doing all this really hard activity. And he was miserable. He really did not enjoy what he was doing, and his results were dismal. He was barely a blip on the radar within his office. And he's in a highly competitive, great office with other amazing insurance folks. So he came to work with me, and it takes some time to develop the right relationships and implement a new strategy to getting clients. So it wasn't month 1, it wasn't month 2, but right around month 3, he actually had a $400,000 month. And he went on for that year and actually ended up as the #1 agent in his office. And the change in his demeanor was incredible. He, when I first met him, he was, kind of shuffling and mumbling and just a little bit down and just not super enthusiastic. And now he's energized and excited and happy and doing things like taking his best referral source to see the Warriors play and earning referrals from it. So he's enjoying his business and therefore enjoying his life so much more, and he's so much more profitable in his business and getting the type of clients that are truly rewarding, both personally as well as financially. So if you're interested in switching things around in your business, instead of having to do all that outreach, all that hard cold calling, door knocking, direct prospecting activity, and would like instead to build some amazing relationships with people who understand what it's like to always have to bring in business to the business and have those great relationships, sending you the type of business that you desire, and being able to enjoy your business and life so much more and really make the profits in the business that you really deserve, then let's have a conversation. My name is Maile Collmer, and I love helping business owners create a steady stream of business through relationships and referrals. I wish it to you.